Hey everyone, do you know hidden facts about birds? Birds can see more colors than humans, including ultraviolet light. Birds can sleep with one eye open and half of their brain awake. It's called unihemispheric sleep. Did you know hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? Pigeons can recognize human faces and remember them for years. They might know you better than you think. Magpies are attracted to shiny objects and often collect them to decorate their nests. If you like that video, please like, share, and subscribe for watching more amazing and unknown hidden facts.